Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm going to show you design models for hospital management system. So first of all, that model name is the hospital, and a hospital have some attribute like hospital name, city, pin code, and hospital ID. So you have to design. Now after that, you know that a hospital have multiple rooms. Okay, so you have to design the room table and relate with the hospital. So you can add I collection of rooms. A hospital have multiple contact also, so you design for the contact table as well as the room table. So you have to design this both table, room as well as contact. Now finally you can say that the room and the contact table are created with the reference key of the hospital. The next class is to use, that is the application user class. And here we have application user. I mean to say that the application user is directly linked with the doctor, directly linked with the patient, and directly linked with the employee. Because a hospital have multiple employees, and you can say that a hospital have multiple department also. So department class is actually hold multiple employees. So first of all, design the application user class instead of all these things. You know that a application user, I mean to say that doctor, patient and the employees has a appointment. Doctor have also a appointment with another doctor, and also a patient have appointment with the, so you can say that a application user have a appointment. So just create a appointment table also inside the model section. So appointment table and relate with the application user, and here we have application user is linked with the patient doctor. So a doctor have a patient have a appointment. So just appointment table and you create inside the appointment table. So here you can see that a appointment have doctor ID as well as the application ID as well as the patient ID is mentioned. Okay, so you know everything about it. A patient and the doctor relate with the appointment. So here you can say that I collection a appointment have a application user have appointment with the appointment table. So okay, now after that you have to create a department table, and you know that the department ID and the department name, but department have multiple employees also. So just create a department table, and after that you have to create an employee table, and employee table is actually already created in the form of application user. So a department have multiple application user. So here you can add a department ID. So first of all create a department table. And you know that a employee in the form of application user have multiple payrolls scheme. So so payroll have also there. Payroll is actually designed in the form of hourly salary, net salary, salary. So there is a lots of form of the salary. So here we have public class payroll and design first of all with a few attributes. Now after that you have to add a supplier information, because medicine actually entered in the hospital by the supplier. So supplier information is also mentioned in the database, and also company information as well as the medicine information and the prescribed medicine which is done by the doctor and written by the doctor to the patient. So there are all information actually stored in the database. So here we have a supplier table. And here we have a medicine also, a medicine table also. So in the medicine actually related with the supplier. So you can say so here we have a supplier have multiple you can say that a supplier have multiple medicine reports So just design a medicine report with the ID, with the company information, quantity information, productions, expiry date, that is the production date, start and the end date, country, and the supplier ID is also mentioned in the supplier table. And you know that a medicine report have linked with the medicine, like the medicine ID, medicine name, company information, cost of the medicine, description about the medicine. Now also design the prescribed medicine at here. A prescribed medicine is actually linked with the medicine. So in the prescribed medicine, here we have a medicine ID, and the report ID is also there, patient report ID. So just you can say that the patient report is created after a few seconds, and here we have a prescribed medicine. So ID is there with the reference with the primary key attribute, and here you can add the that is the medicine ID. So just you can use medicine as well as the report ID is also mentioned, but just create first of all patient report. Okay, so also there a medicine have multiple prescribed medicines, so just linked with the I collection. So a patient report have diagnosed medicine name. Medicine name is actually not related with the patient report, because the a patient report have multiple prescribed medicines. So just remove the name, that is the medicine name. A patient report have only the doctor as well as the patient information. Okay, so doctor ID is there, patient ID is there in the patient report, and a patient report have multiple prescribed medicines. So just you can use I collection with the prescribed medicine, and also prescribed medicine have a patient report. So just use with the many to one at here. Now after that you have to add a lab information. So you know that a lab actually holds some extra information regarding to their employee ID was also mentioned, but in the later videos I will add it here. Lab number, patient ID, test type, test code, weight, height, blood pressure, temperature, and test result was also mentioned in that lab. And you know that a patient have multiple lab reports, so just have a patient, and with the lab we have one to many mappings is there. Okay, so only one with the patient, so just create first of all.